So we got this poured on Friday. The guys came and ripped the stress lines on Saturday. You can see them all nice and straight. Look how straight those are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful straight lines. Beautiful straight lines for the stress lines. Now we just got to go up and clean the edges up over here. Clean everything up. Nice. Yep, looks good. Boyle and his guys did a great job. Beautiful. Nice. Now we're just leveling everything off, cleaning everything up. We got to pick the pavers up to raise them a little bit because of the new grade of the concrete. That's what they're doing right there. That'll be done today too. Subscribe to our channel. Hit us up on any of our social media. ExquisiteHardscapes.com.